Loop the tie around your collar. Adjust the thin end until it's about midway on your torso. Cross the thick end in front of the thin end, and loop the wide end of the tie behind the thin end. Take the wide end up and through the front of the neck loop, returning to the position you were holding the tie. Wrap the thick end across the front of the knot. Bring the thick end up and out through the neck loop. Feed the thick end through the knot loop and pull snug. Adjust the length by pulling the knot up towards your collar while pulling the thin end of the tie down. Adjust the collar as needed. And secure the thin end to the back of the thick end.